We'll guide you through how to connect Google Form to Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect Google Form to Notion, start by opening your browser so you can begin with a clean window. In the search bar, type Form to Notion and wait for the results to appear. Once the search loads, select the first web that appears because that is where the tool is located. When you reach the page, press the Install button so the add-on can be added to your Google account. After it finishes installing, go back to your browser's main area and search for Notion. When the results show up, select the first web that appears so you can open the Notion site. Log in or sign into your Notion account so you can access your workspace. Once you are inside, go to the Private section on the left panel. Press the plus button on the right side to create a new page. A fresh page will appear, and you can give this new page a title so you can recognize it later. After naming the page, go to the main area and type /database so you can add a database to the page. Wait for the database to appear, then fill it based on your own preferences. When you finish setting up the database, open a new tab and search for forms. Select the first page that appears in the results. Inside the Forms site, give a name to your new form so it is organized. Then give it data based on the Notion page you prepared earlier. After completing the setup of your form, go to the top section of the page. Look for the add-on button in the middle top area and press it. A menu will open, so select Form to Notion and then choose Connect to Notion. A small menu will appear asking for confirmation, and inside that menu, you need to press Connect to Notion again. After that, a small Notion page will load, allowing you to search for the page you want to connect. Find the Notion page that you made earlier specifically for your form. Select it so the system knows which page you want to use. After selecting the correct page, match the data type from Notion to the form so everything lines up the right way. When you are done matching the data, press Continue, and your Notion will now be connected to your form.